My name is Shashi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the virtual environment. Actually, what is virtual environment and why we use and what are the advantages of the virtual environment? Let's discuss in this video. Okay. Now, what is virtual environment? The name says that like virtually we are creating the environment. Suppose if we want to install the dependencies in the base environment, we create and we install in that we install. Suppose for the particular we have the different projects, so for that different projects we want to install the dependencies, so at that time it will be different conflicts and it will be occurs. So to overcome the problem, we create the particular environment, virtual environment, and whatever the required dependencies we require and that dependencies we install. And suppose if we want to that produce the dependencies and as well as that we want to pull that into the git, we directly pull that requirement.txt files, that dependency versions, we pull it into the git and they can able to use. If we, for example, if the versions will be changed, so at that time there is no conflict, no error will be occur. That is why we use the virtual environment. And one more example, while we are creating the project we have some dependencies and particular versions, but after some years the versions will be changed. So at that time we want to use particular version only. So at that time we use the by using this virtual environment, and the versions will be present in that requirement.txt. So at that time there is no errors and no issues will be found in that. Okay. For creating the virtual environment we have the two methods. One is by using the Conda create and the virtual environment file and Python equal to 3.7, and for example there is a 3.7. Now we there is any other another any version 3.8, 3.9, 3.10 and like that. And -y is the version -y is the version. So for example if any yes or no option will come, right, at that time -y we directly will select yes. So no need to give manually from our end, it will take yes directly. This is one way. And suppose if we create like Conda create, and after creating the environment we have to activate the environment by using the whatever we create. For example, now we are creating the environment using this env1. Now after that Conda activate env1, at that time we will create the we activate the environment. And suppose without using the Conda we have to create by using this python 3 -m venv and virtual, and this is the virtual environment file name, but for example .venv or any other project name like that. After creating the environment we have to activate. For example, if we are using the Ubuntu OS, this is the command for the activating. And if we use Windows, if we are using the Windows, this is the command for the activation. And now here see for active. Now I am creating the environment by using 3.7. The virtual environment is created, it will take some time. And after that after installing the dependencies we have to freeze it, and that dependencies we have to keep in the requirement.txt. At the time if the versions will be changed also, there is no issues. Yeah, this is the total virtual environment and how we use. And after this here see we create activating the environment by using the just the Conda will be env1 will be activated. Simple, that's it. Similarly python 3 -mv env the, for activating another method, and for Windows we have to activate like this, and for Ubuntu we have to activate like this. Yeah. Thank you for watching.